In this video, I'll share with you 5 value stocks that I invested $1,000 in the month of April 2024. If you're new to my channel, I work as a finance manager at a top tech company with an MBA in finance and a CPA designation. Starting from March 2024, I'm investing $1,000 each month to build my portfolio of value stocks. Value stocks are the companies that I believe could be undervalued as of today. So I moved $1,000 into my brokerage account by the end of March to be able to make my investments in early April. And without any further ado, these are the 5 value stocks that I ended up investing in April 2024. Stock number 1, Apple. Apple is a multinational technology company known for designing, manufacturing, and selling consumer electronics, software, and services. Its iconic products include, but are not limited to, the iPhone, iPad, MacBook, Apple Watch, and AirPods. At the time of this video, Apple is valued at $2.6 trillion. I bought 2 shares of the Apple stock at $169.98 per share with a total investment of $339.96. From my previous month, I already owned 1 share of the Apple stock at $179.67. And because the Apple stock went down in price, I decided to buy 2 additional shares to lower my average cost per share. So as of now, I own 3 shares of the Apple stock at $173.21 per share. For me personally, Apple is one of the safest and most promising companies to invest in. Apple doesn't just rely on the success of a single product to make majority of their revenue. They have numerous products that are all successful on their own. All their products and tools also work very seamlessly together. As I own multiple different products from Apple and I'm satisfied with my experience as a customer, this makes me more bullish about Apple as a long-term investment, even if I may be losing some money in the short term. Stock number 2, Costco. Costco is a membership-based warehouse club that offers a wide range of products that you can buy in bulk at discounted prices, including groceries, electronics, clothing, and more. They have around 900 warehouses and 130 million membership card holders. At the time of this video, Costco is valued at $316 billion. I bought 1/4 of a Costco share at $721.16 with a total investment of $180.29. Since I'm investing $1,000 a month, I wasn't able to buy a full share of Costco because I wouldn't have much money left to make my other investments. But I'm a huge fan of Costco as a company and recently noticed that the price started to go down, which is why I decided to invest in Costco in April. My family and I have been Costco members for over a decade, and we've been very happy with our experience so far. This level of customer satisfaction can also be observed in Costco's annual revenues, which have been rising consistently each year. So my personal experience with Costco as a customer and knowing that the company has room for a lot more growth were some of the key reasons behind my decision to invest in Costco in April 2024. Stock number 3, Tesla. Tesla is an innovative American company specializing in electric cars, renewable energy solutions, and advanced technology. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is widely recognized as one of the most influential figures in the tech industry. At the time of this video, Tesla is valued at $525 billion. I bought 1 share of the Tesla stock at $172.44. My main reason for investing in Tesla now is because of their upcoming improvements in the manufacturing process, which could make building cars less expensive. Tesla is planning to move away from a 100-year-old assembly line process, saying that they can develop something more cost-effective and efficient. As a result, the savings from these improvements will be passed to customers, as Tesla is promising to introduce a $25,000 electric car next year. So I wanted to invest in Tesla now to be able to see whether or not they'll be able to deliver on these promises. Stock number 4, Chewy. Chewy is an online retailer specializing in pet products, offering a wide range of items including food, toys, and medications for pets. Chewy became popular because of its convenient subscription services, fast delivery, and customer-focused approach. At the time of this video, Chewy is valued at $7.5 billion. I bought 11 shares of the Chewy stock at $15.97 per share with a total investment of $175.67. So back in March 2024, I actually bought 12 shares of the Chewy stock at $17.64. As the Chewy stock continued to go down since my initial investment in March, I decided to buy more shares to get a lower average cost per share. So as of now, I own 23 shares of Chewy stock at $16.84 per share. I like Chewy as a company because they have one of the best customer services that I've ever seen. Whenever customers mention to Chewy that their pets passed away, the company tends to send you gifts and flowers. Also, whenever you want to return your order, Chewy usually tells you to donate it to your local pet shelter instead. While Chewy may be losing a lot of money on the products that way, in turn they're saving a lot of money on return shipping and on building customer admiration. So this level of customer-centric approach from Chewy is what made me want to invest in the company. And stock number 5, Unilever. Unilever is a multinational consumer goods company headquartered in London. It owns a vast portfolio of brands including Dove, Lipton, Ben & Jerry's, and Axe. At the time of this video, Unilever is valued at $121 billion. I bought 3 shares of the Unilever stock at $49.66 with a total investment of $148.88. When looking at the company's current share price and comparing it with relatively stable annual revenues, I thought that Unilever stock has some potential for future growth. Unilever also owns some of the world's most famous products, which are relatively safe against economic recessions. They also have a huge dividend yield of 3.8%, which means that the company will pay me $3.80 for every $100 I have invested in their stock. So I could have invested in Unilever as part of my separate dividend stock portfolio, but in this case, I thought that the share price has also opportunity to increase. So to conclude, in the month of April 2024, I invested a total of $1,017.34 in 5 different stocks that could be undervalued. I had around $20 not invested from my March balance, which is why I was able to invest a bit more than $1,000 in April. If you're interested, I'm also investing $1,000 each month separately to build my dividend stock portfolio, and you can check out my April 2024 dividend stock picks in my previous video on my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.